What's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Allie. So what I thought I'd do for you guys today, I thought I'd go ahead and go back into the Chris and Dominique's Latte palette. I got a lot of great feedback from my friends and family saying how much they love the look and they want to go and buy this palette. So I figured why not do another look for them, this time doing more of a soft glam, really beautiful makeup that you could wear to work still, or if you were going on a date, wear it wherever. It's a soft glam look using her palette. So I went ahead and I redid my entire face beforehand. So my foundation, my concealer. So my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, my brows are already done. Not like I really do much of these brows anyway. I just kind of fill them in. Well, not really. I just kind of use gel to set them. But that's beside the point. So I figured I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this look. So since my eyes are already primed and prepped using concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color right here, the Vanilla Cream, using my Morphe M510 blending brush. I'm just gonna kind of take it just to really make sure that my eyes are just set and I have one even cohesive color together. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna take the color Caramel, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that in the crease of my eye just to slowly add a little bit of depth and dimension and just to get the color going. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and just buffer it in right here using the little windshield wiper motions. Now for today's look, I definitely recommend using a very, very light hand because you wanna be able to build up the color and you don't wanna just go in too heavily at first because you just don't want to. The brush that I'm using is M443 Morphe brush. Use code Allie. Haha, just joking, just joking. Now what I really seriously love about this palette is how smooth and creamy the formula is. I mean, it is like butter. And the great thing about Chris and Dominique is that she just announced that she's gonna be putting her palette inside Ulta. So you guys should be able to find this palette inside the stores within the coming month, as well as online. Beauty Bay will be offering it for anyone over internationally in the next couple weeks. So she is like really getting herself out there and I just could not be more proud for her. I just got the set in from KylieCosmetics. This is the Rose Gold set. It only comes with 13 pieces in a little stand. This is the number 6 out of the Rose Gold. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here, double shot, and I'm gonna start to work it into the same crease line that I did for Caramel. I'm just gonna just slowly work it in. Since this is a very, very pigmented color, I would definitely recommend going with a very, very light hand. You wanna be able to build up the coverage for this because it is such a pigmented color. So you just wanna slowly just build it up. Just seriously build it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it down to the very corners of my inner eye. I'm just gonna kind of just blend. Now you guys can blend however you want. People do windshield wiper motions, they do rotating motions or circle motions. However you guys wanna do it, just blend whatever you find is easiest. You just wanna make sure the colors are blendable. So in my last video, I had done a look using her same palette and I had said that guests don't really care about how my makeup looks, my eye looks, but I definitely got a lot of comments that day saying, oh my God, your makeup is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love your eyes. So maybe they do care just a little bit, or I don't know, maybe they're just being really nice, but it was nice. I liked hearing it. I was like, yeah, Chris and Dominique. I just added just a little bit more and I'm just gonna slowly work that into the inner corner, buffing it out as I go using a very, very light touch. So what I want to do is I want to deepen this corner just right here, deepen it up just a little bit. Just to deepen that up. So what you could also do, you could also take a clean blender brush. I'm going to use the same KylieCosmetics Rose Gold Collection number 5. I'm going to take a little bit of the caramel color, just kind of dab it on there. And I'm just going to kind of just bring it back here on the outside just a little bit and kind of just blend those colors in just to make the edges nice and soft. Now I would put on fake lashes to go with this. I still have my crummy used ones from Luxe. They're really getting stained, or I don't know, the lash line has like glitter or like my foil from the last time I wore this look. So I think I definitely need to advance and go get some more lashes. I could try doing more looks for you guys with them, but right now, I mean, they're not the best. I could try. I'm also not going to do a liner to go with this look. I would do eyeliners like at the top lid, do like a cat eye or whatnot, but I have very, very large eyes. And so the point of wearing a liner is to really make your eyes look bigger, make your eyes look fuller and elongated. But since my eyes are so big, when I try wearing eyeliner, it just doesn't look right in my eyes. It just really doesn't. So I either just do a liner on the inside of my upper lid and just go from there, or I just forego it all together just because I find that it just doesn't wear very well on me. And I don't know if it's just me, you know, not really knowing what I'm doing. That could be totally possible. Or I really do just have a funny shaped eye for it. I haven't figured that out, you know. Oh my God, that's gross. I just have leftover like mascara in the corner of my eye because I went to work earlier and I took off my make. I have leftover like mascara in the corner of my eye because I went to work earlier and I was didn't have time to do like a full face, so I got here to film for you guys. I took off my entire makeup and just reapplied everything just because I wanted to have like a nice fresh looking foundation. You know, I want deep in the inside corner too, just a little bit, just so that my halo has little. I love her palette, but I have to say I'm starting to get some stains in my palette from using it so much. I don't know what it is. It's a white design, so it's bound to get some stains, but it sucks because like even like the very front of my palette is starting to get like makeup stains on it. I'm like, ugh, seriously? Like, it was so pretty. I was trying not to ruin it, and well, I did. All right, guys, for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe. Now I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics number 7, this little smudger brush, in the color Creme Brulee, right here. I'm gonna put it right in the center of my eye. I'm also gonna go back in with the BH Cosmetics blender. Clean blender brush. I'm just going to kind of soften the edges just a little bit, just so that the colors are nice and blended together, so you don't have any harsh lines. Alright guys, now that my eyeshadow is blended, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did go back in with an eyeliner. I wanted to add a little bit of an extra pop and dimension to my eyeshadow. I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On and Color Perversion. I also went in with my lips with the KylieCosmetics Lip Gloss in the color Candy K. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I just really love this look. I think it's very gorgeous. It's a very soft glam, even though it does have a little bit of a liner. I wanted to do it without a liner. I think it's gorgeous. So if you guys like me, if you guys like this video, please give me a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I do put out a video every Monday and Friday. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when my next video comes out. And as always, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Thank you for everything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So today I went into my lips with the KylieCosmetics Lip Gloss in the color Candy K. I struggle to say that word. and I absolutely love it. So, no! So you guys, oh my God, this is so ridiculous. It's liquid lip scotch. Oh, I did not. Liner.